Hello everyone, I'm Prakriti P, a first year computer science engineering student studying in SVC, and today I'm here to speak about hydraulics and water resources in the subject of civil engineering. So today I'll be speaking about hydraulic engineering, its examples, importance and advantages, projects and scopes, and also water resources engineering, examples, importance and branches, advantages, examples and projects and scopes, and conclusion. So hydraulics is a mechanical function which operates through the force of liquid pressure, and hydraulics based system. The mechanical movement is produced by contained pump liquid, typically through hydraulic cylinders, moving pistons, and hydraulic engineering is an application of fluid mechanics to problems dealing with the collection, storage, control, transport, regulation, and measurement and use of water. So we must always remember to figure out how much water is involved before starting an engineering project. And some of the examples of hydraulic engineering is dams, leaves, water distribution networks, automatic sprinkler systems, and water collection network, sewage collection network, and storm water management, sediments transport, etc. And some of the next topic is importance of hydraulics. Hydraulic system is more efficient than pneumatic systems, and they use less energy and eliminate less heat. They are also flexible and valuable during the time period where design revisions and for optimizing production capacity. Hydraulic systems are also, we can also have great control over the machine settings, reducing the time which is wasted, and also errors in production process. And hydraulic system also allows us to have seamless integration of new products into existing manufacturing lines, and also adjust with minimum work mechanism. So some of the advantages of hydraulic engineering is that hydraulic engineering it is easy to control and accurate, because it allows us to start, stop, accelerate, slow down the system using simple levers and push buttons. And it is easy to spot leakages of hydraulic system, and a large amount of power can be transmitted through the hydraulic system using small flexible hose and tubers. And hydraulic components also allows micrometric speed variations and minimize undesirable noise. And these are some of the advantages of hydraulic engineering. And scopes and projects. Hydraulic engineering projects is like groundwater inventory, recycling of wastewater, dual purpose water supply, domestic water treatment plant, and rainwater collection. Hydraulic engineering, basically it's an conceptual design for various features. It allows us to interact with waters in a way like through spillways, outlet works for dams, etc. And water, let's go to the next topic, which is water resources. Water resources are the natural resources of water, which are used by human beings. And the for example is that 97% of supply of irrigation water is uh, is a source of drinking water. But of where the salt on the earth, there's only like more of salt water, and only 3% of fresh water. And this over one third of this fresh water is frozen glaciers and uh, polar ice caps. And some of the examples of water resources are lakes, rivers, oceans, and also groundwater, deep subsurface waters, glaciers, etc. And resource engineering is the study of management of equipment, facilities, and techniques which are also used to manage and preserve life. And some of the importance of water resources engineering is that it is essential for managing water resources, and it ensures the availability of clean drinking water and efficient water for agriculture purposes, and it also helps humans to get a what improve the helps in improving water quality and provide the best water quality for humans, and also helps in protecting the environment. It also reduces water pollution, and it all helps us to conserve resources. And water resource engineering is very important for infrastructure development, managing of water systems. It also includes construction such as dams, reserves, pipelines, etc. So some of the branches of water resource engineering is hydrology, hydraulics, and groundwater engineering, hydropower engineering, and soil water conservation engineering, and coastal engineering, and water quality engineering, and water resource planning and management. So, resource engineering challenges are availability and accessibility of water resources. So, the availability of resources are influenced by variety of factors such as climate change, population growth, pollution, and as the population grows, water demand also gets increased, and due to which there's a lot of difficulty faced by the people for getting the water necessary resources. And the second point is sustainability. Sustainability is to maintain the challenge in water resources engineering. The engineers also are tasked with finding solutions for the water problems, and then balance the needs of the environment, local communities. And pollution also, as the pollution increases, there is a decrease in the amount of water available for the amount of usable water available. So water resources engineering also helps in uh, stopping the pollution and helping us to get more improved quality of water. And the cost of water resources are also high, and the cost of material equipments are also high. So water resource engineering projects also can be expensive. And the process, there are many technological advancements which are made, which makes the engineers to keep up, and the fast developments are also held, due to which the technology can also make it better software to do more water resource engineering and solve the problems. So, some of the benefits and advantages of water resource engineering is improved water quality, optimizing water supply, improving the water management, flood risk reduction, improved environmental protection, etc. So, some of the examples of water resource engineering is construction of artificial reservoirs and groundwater recharge, drip irrigation system, desalination plants, and flood control systems. And we can conclude that water resource engineering is an application in which which involves technology expertise to manage and conserve the water resources to meet the needs of society. And there are a variety of activities like water supply, water quality, drainage, and flood control. And in water resource engineering is important because it provides access to clean, safe, reliable water for drinking. and it also helps us to protect people and property from floods and other natural disasters. Some of the benefits of it is that it includes overall health and increase in water supply, improves water quality, improves agriculture productivity, improves water resource in management, and also water resource engineering is also a part of any society, which helps us. It's important, and benefits will also continuously increase as the population and there's change in population and climate change. And water resource engineering is a field where we can focus on management protection of water resources, as it combines all the elements of civil engineering, hydrology, geology, and other science for solving such related problems. And like water supply and flood control also can be um, flood control, water pollution, and water resource in can also be, all of these pollutions can also be reduced through water resource engineering.